This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.